So I know it's a funny time of day to go live, but I just got this in my house safely and I want to unbox it and I want to do it with you. Ah, I need a knife. This is why we can't find any steak knives in our house, because we use them for arts and crafts around here. So this is going to show backwards to you. This is the Mary L. Tarot, and I did a call this week with a friend of mine who, a woman I know who wants to do tarot classes. And we got to talking, and she owns this deck, and I looked up some of the pictures on this deck, and I was like, ah, shit, I have to have that deck. I'm going to attempt to cut into this without cutting myself or the box. I'm just so excited. Like, it just got delivered. Earlier today, I was working on some printable sheets to send out to a student based on our class today. And I didn't even see that this had arrived. How do you open? Ooh! Okay, so the box is magnetic. So there's a lunchbox let down. There's no cards in the deck. Well, guys, I got the book, but no cards. Oh, man. I gotta call Amazon now. But the book, it shows the cards. They're gonna be beautiful when I get them. Are you all howling? That's hilarious and horrible. There's like a partition in here where it looks like the cards were. Book, no cards. Craptastic! So now I gotta go to Amazon and complain. Well, that was fun. I'm eating pizza for dinner, damn it. Okay, I gotta go to Amazon now and figure this crap out. There will be an update.